Hello again, I'm Richard Burcher here from Airedale by Modine, and in this Liquid Cooling Espresso video I'm going to explore the concept of heat reuse. So first and foremost, what is heat reuse? Well, heat reuse is simply about capturing the excess heat generated by data centers by using it for other purposes. Data centers generate heat as a byproduct. Heat reuse allows us to repurpose that heat. So heat reuse begins with the liquid cooling system, which efficiently absorbs the server heat. This heated liquid can then be routed into a network where its thermal energy is captured and redirected as heat reuse. There's numerous opportunities for heat reuse applications, including things like direct heating, where warm water can be piped into a district heating network supplying homes and offices, many industrial processes, vertical farming for greenhouses, and swimming pools and spas. So interestingly, the swimming pool at the 2024 Paris Olympic Games was heated by a nearby co-location data center. Now, in discussions with operators, we've talked around applied issues related to heat reuse, including the grade of heat generated and the distance the heat has to travel to be repurposed. Now, not all data centers are opposite swimming pools, but where data centers sprawl into urban areas, the potential for district heating will only increase. Appropriate SLAs for heat production, providing guaranteed heat load rates, need to be formulated to make that construct more seamless. Data center operators, they don't want to be utility providers, so you've got to manage that relationship and that use case. Legislation's increasing, specifically in Germany, towards heat reuse. The General Energy Efficiency Act requires new data centers to repurpose at least 10% of data center heat by the 1st of July 2026. That increases to 20% by 2028. There's marked opportunities for heat reuse via data center operators and liquid cooling. However, there can be a trade-off regarding sustainability and performance in liquid cooling. To drive heat reuse, you need to push your water temperatures up. Now, when pushing your temperature envelopes, you may run into server warranty issues. Higher temperatures also pose a risk of less ride-through time, which is a larger risk if you lose cooling. Regarding the definition of ride-through, this is the period that a system can continue to operate typically during a loss of power or a short-lived event without dropping the system. Now, liquid cooling indicates how long a server, CPU or a GPU will be maintained. Now, when running at a higher temperature, you decrease that ride-through time. Ultimately, it wants to run in terms of the IT as low as possible to drive that IT performance. Again, as always, it depends on your use case and how you want to run your facility. Therefore, the role of heat reuse needs to be carefully managed. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to connecting with you again shortly on our next video. Thank you.